Looking for something to do this weekend? Broward County Parks has you covered. Here are some activities to keep you entertained. Get your binoculars ready for our Intro to Birding Walk at Fern Forest Nature Center. The guided nature walk will be held on Saturday. The Florida scrub is an endangered ecoregion, and it can be found right here in Broward County. Learn all about it and the animals and plants that work together to survive at Scrub Symbiosis on Saturday at Crystal Lake Sand Pine Scrub. Experience the nightlife at Markham Park and Target Range at our night hike on Saturday. Flashlights will be provided. Learn about our local and regional water resources and how to conserve them at the 17th Annual Water Matters Day held at Treetops Park on Saturday. Pedal on through to Brian Piccolo Sports Park and Velodrome on Sunday for a hand cycling open house. The event will promote bicycle safety, education, and recreation for adults with disabilities. Enjoy your weekend. If you have fun, share a pic with us under the hashtag Broward Parks on all social media sites. See you next weekend.